Okay, my name is Joanne Angerman. I'm a TRE provider, a hairdresser, and a farmer. And in the beginning, what TRE was like for me, I had developmental trauma and a huge startle reflex, and TRE helped to calm that over time. And as I was patient with working with the tremors in my body, I became a lot more comfortable in my body, and it was easier to deal with life stresses and, processing old emotions. And it's quite relaxing.
So how do you feel after doing TRE?
Yeah, after TRE, a lot of times it helps me sleep. I like to tremor at night. Throughout the day, as I feel kind of charged, I will tremor quickly throughout the day when I have an opportunity to do that.
Would you recommend TRE to others, and why?
Yes, I'd always recommend TRE to pretty much everyone I know, given the current state of the world and the stresses we deal with. Parents dealing with children helps to be, a lot more present and in your body so that you can parent better. And I think also being able to deal with relationships and not be so charged and triggered around relationships has been very beneficial for me. So I recommend TRE to everybody.